It is important to understand the specific types of liability you assume when you rent a car. Generally, the risks are the same as you assume when you drive your own vehicle, with one major exception, and that is the potential loss of use claim a car rental company may make against you for the loss of revenue they suffer when you are involved in an accident in one of their rental cars. It will not matter if you were at fault. The various types of liability or claims that may arise when renting a vehicle. First, there is a potential for a collision damage claim to the rented vehicle. As a general rule, this type of risk is usually covered by your personal auto policy, subject to your own policy deductible. Second, the potential for a collision damage liability claim from the owner of another vehicle when the accident is caused by you while driving the rental car. Third, the potential for a medical payments claim from a passenger in your rental car. Fourth, a bodily injury claim from a passenger in your rental car. Fifth, the potential for a bodily injury or property damage claim from the occupants of another vehicle struck by you while driving the rental car. This type of risk, as well as those above, is usually covered by your personal auto policy. However, you should verify this with your insurance agent. Sixth, the potential for a claim from the car rental company for the loss of rental income for the time it takes to place their damaged rental unit back into the rental fleet. This is sometimes referred to as a loss of use claim. The car rental agency will charge you a separate fee for that coverage, often called a loss damage waiver, LDW. Generally, this type of claim is not covered by your personal auto policy. However, it is up to you to check this out with your insurance carrier. It is preferable to obtain such decisions from your insurance company in writing. It is important that the car renter make certain they have addressed the issues by all of the following means. Number one, check to determine the coverage provided by your own auto policy. Number two, check to determine the coverage provided by your credit card issuer. And number three, simply pay the additional fee for the loss damage waiver coverage. Look at visa.com/benefits to find the benefits to the Visa consumer credit card user. This contains all the provisions for the auto collision damage waiver benefit for users of the card. This provided they adhere to the applicable card guidelines. Please remember, if you have any concerns, you can always opt to purchase the additional coverage from the car rental agency if that gives you peace of mind. In summary, if you have done your homework ahead of time, you can stand at that car rental counter and decline all the extra insurance and all the excessive fees with a clear conscience, and you will not have to worry about whether you have made the right decision. This is Bob Underdown, the insurance archaeologist, insurance expert witness.